welcome back to our vlog. For today's video, we are going to the
beach.
Today is Saturday and it's the weather today here in California is 81 degree. Oh, there you go, got it.
Hi.
And yeah, my daughter is at the back and other daughter is behind my seat, something like that.
Look at it.
Oh, you girl.
Yeah.
It's like crackers.
Pack it in there tight.
You're so funny. I thought I just felt a crab. Okay, pat it. Pat it like you do it. A pat big. My chin!
It fell.
Yeah!
There's a little bit, but that's okay.
So hi guys, there's a lot of people in here and it's hard for us to move. Wow. I mean, it's not a big space in here because that's will happen if it's really hot in here because there's a lot of people go to the beach. And yeah. So yung tubig nila dito cold. Hindi ka makapagligo kung hindi ka sanay sa cold maligo. Mas iba sa atin sa Pinas kasi pag mainit, masarap yung tubig. Tapos pag maginaw, masarap pa din yung tubig. Pero dito, kapag malamig or mainit ang panahon, hindi masarap yung tubig.
What?
Run, run, run! It's really cold! Oh my gosh. Oh, 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 oh. Where you going?
Bird.
Cold? Cold? It's cold? Ah! No, she's scared. Isabella! Help! Help! Isa! You okay? Let's help with this, yeah.
Thank you.
Aww. Sweet.
Okay.
Look, wait.
Oh.
We have lots of visitors. Ah! Hi, bird. That's the girls one.
Until we get pooped on.
It's okay. It's fine because they are hungry. Whoa! Party, party!
Have a nice day. Or what more?
What is it, Diana?
Then have a nice flight. Or have a nice...
Have a nice flight.
No, cause they have wings. They have wings.
Have a nice flight, buddy. That's perfect earlier. Have a nice day, and then what do you say, Diana? Have a nice flight. So funny. Oh. Have a nice flight!
Look at that bird, it's fluttering around. Ready?
La, they're really close. Okay, so I have still a lot of chips here and they did not see it. This one. So I threw this to the bird and let's them do party, okay?
What?
Okay guys, that's all for our vlog. I wish you enjoy watching and don't forget to subscribe.
Bye.
You say it subscribe?
Oh, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget. And hit the like button. And you can also share our videos.
And like. See you guys tomorrow. Bye. Bye.